Hi French horns, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to review Accent Book 2, page number 5 for French horn. In the upper left-hand corner, we'll see that this is an accent on review page. And the first note we're reviewing is our A flat. For single horn, that's our 2 and 3. For double horn, that's our trigger 2 and 3. We also have a more syncopation pattern, and that's 8th, quarter, 8th. In the green box, we see our key signature that has 3 flats. Those 3 flats are B flat, E flat, and A flat. And the key signature is the key signature of E flat major. Below that, we see a C for time signature. That stands for common time, or 4/4 time, 4 counts per measure. A DC, da capo al fine, is a piece of music that goes back to the beginning and then stops at the fine. A DS, dal segno al fine, is a piece of music that goes back into the piece to a sign and then play from the sign to the fine. Our crescendo and decrescendo or crescendo and diminuendo marks are up next. They mean to gradually get louder and gradually get softer over time. And the tempo marking largo is very slow. So let's jump into our piece of music today, number 12, All Through the Night. It's a DC al fine song. So we'll start from the beginning, we'll play the first 4 measures, we'll repeat those 4 measures, then we'll go on to measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we're finished with measure 8, we go back to the beginning and play the first 4 measures the 3rd time and the final time, and we'll stop at the fine. This has 2 flats, B flat and E flat, and is in common time or 4/4. Our first pitch is B flat. Let's begin. And 1, 2, ready, go. Back to the beginning. Ready, go. Well done. If you have any extra water in your horn, now is a good time to empty it. So we'll move on to exercise number 13 next. It's Old Dan Tucker. And Old Dan Tucker uses our syncopation pattern of 8th, quarter, 8th. Do you see that syncopation pattern in your music in measure 1? Right. It's also in measure 5. Now this is a duet, so it's got a part A and part B. I'll start by playing part A. If you want to, join me or play part B as an instant duet. I'm going to play from the beginning all the way to the end where it says DS al fine. I'll go back to measure 3 because the sign is in measure 3, and I'll play measure 3 and 4 again. I'll stop at the fine as the instructions DS al fine tell me to. This piece starts on the note E. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, go. now we'll do part B. This starts on a G. 1, 2, ready, go. You can pause, practice, rewind, and review that one if you need more help and more practice. Number 14 is an American folk song called The Erie Canal, and it uses our syncopation pattern 8th, quarter, 8th, short, long, short. This piece has a first and second ending, so make sure you take that repeat sign and our second ending. It also uses B flats, E flats, and A flats in the key signature. I'll count 4 and 3 for the pickup note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Our final piece is the song America the Beautiful, number 15. In this piece, we've got B flats, E flats, and the A flat from the top of the page. That A flat actually shows up in the beginning of measure 3, so remember your A flat, and it's in 4/4 time. I'll count us 4 and 3 to begin. Our first note is B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. As you can probably tell, I've got some water buildup in my French horn that I'm going to need to drain. So I'll do that in between videos. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.